Hello everyone! For today's video is how to connect your reel to a video. Connecting your reel to a video can be effective for reaching and engaging your audience on Facebook. To connect your reel to a video, first we need to log into our Facebook page and then we will go to Creator Studio. Creator Studio. Now we are here at Creator Studio. Then we will click Create Reel. Click Add Video. This video and then open. So we will wait until it will be 100% uploaded. Then you can add your title and description for the reel. So let's say lovely sunrise. Hashtag beach sunrise. Now it's 100% uploaded. Then we have the title and the hashtag, and then for the thumbnail you can choose a suggested thumbnail, a frame, or an image. You can upload your own thumbnail and then click next. Then for the audio, so it's up to you if you want to add an audio. So you can choose here, just scroll down. And then for the enhance, so you can on or off audio enhancement. So it's up to you. Then if you want to on audio enhancement, you can adjust the level. Then click next. Then stars enable. So if you are monetized on stars, so you need to enable. So add to a playlist. So if you have an existing playlist for your reel, so you can on this one if you want to add your reel video to a playlist. And then if you don't have a playlist, you can create a playlist. So for me, I don't have a playlist for my video, so I will just off this portion. Then next is connect your reel to a video. So this one, so you need to on this one. You need to on this one because people can watch one of your videos directly from your reel. So this is for Facebook only. And then click to on, and then you will choose your existing video to add into your reel video. So let's say I will choose this video, how to set up social security system online. So you can only choose one video and then click done. Connect your reel to a video is already on and we already added the video. Then you can share directly to the public your reel, or you can schedule. So let's say today May 13 and then the time is 6:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And then click schedule. So this is the reel now. It will schedule today 6:30 p.m. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.